Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to see maps history in Google Maps. This is very interesting and easy. It's very useful too. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Make sure you are logged in. Then tap on profile picture icon. Then tap on settings. At the bottom side, you can see map history option is here. Now tap on it. See here, all of your map history is here. This is my yesterday map history. This is for November. And all of history is here. You can delete this from here. You can also select date from here. You can also search your history from here. You can search the history. There are no result with this. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.